Welcome back to the channel. Today the spotlight falls on the highly anticipated next-gen 2025 Dodge Charger. Ever wondered what the future holds for the iconic Dodge Charger? Could the 2025 model be the game-changer we're all waiting for? In today's deep dive, we're peeling back the layers of anticipation, revealing what we know about the design, powertrains, and the expected launch date of this highly anticipated beast on wheels. We've got some intriguing insights that might just rev up your excitement. So buckle up and let's dive into the fascinating details of the 2025 Dodge Charger. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Dodge Charger is a departure from tradition. Its design is a daring blend of modern aesthetics and classic muscle car influences. The Charger now sports round headlamps, a signature touch that adds a hint of nostalgia to its look. But don't be fooled, this is no retro ride. The front bumper has been completely redesigned to feature a larger air intake, a change that not only looks impressive but also aids performance. The lines running across its profile have become more angular, giving the vehicle a sharper and more aggressive appearance. The hood too carries this aggressive styling, making a strong statement even at a standstill. Meanwhile, the greenhouse maintains its recognizable form, and the windshield sports a rakish angle, contributing to the Charger's sleek silhouette. Certainly, the 2025 Charger is shaping up to be a stunner, a perfect blend of aggression and elegance. Now let's shift gears and talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 Dodge Charger is rumored to be a powerhouse, offering both electric and gasoline variants. The Drive, known for their insider knowledge, suggests the Charger will have at least 3 electric powertrain options. The entry-level Charger EV could pack nearly 400 horsepower from a single rear-mounted e-motor. 2 other setups, 400-volt and 800-volt respectively, could offer all-wheel drive and a whopping 670 and 885 horsepower. But let's not forget about the gasoline models. The turbocharged Hurricane inline-6 engine could deliver between 420 and 510 horsepower. We're still waiting for clarity on the availability of all-wheel drive for these variants. With such a wide array of powertrains, the 2025 Charger promises to deliver a driving experience like no other. So when can we expect to see this beast on the road? Well, the auto marque has confirmed the Charger's availability in late 2024, making it a 2025 model. Rumors suggest a starting price around $50,000, a notable uptick from the previous Charger starting price of $35,325. So there you have it, the 2025 Dodge Charger, a perfect blend of power, performance, and style, ready to hit the roads in late 2024. Thanks so much for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more such insights. If you want to know more info like release date or anything, please consider to visit www.ev-riders.com for more articles about EVs and the latest car news. See you later.